Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, well, welcome. My name is Lacey. So let me just first inform you that do not mind my hair. It is rashit at its finest. I am just letting it do its own thing lately. Half the time I'm like, should I even brush it? So if you guys are like, what the hell, girl, get your life together, don't mind, because I have it together. I just don't have this together. Okay. Anyways, guys, so as you can see, I have very simplistic makeup on today. So the reason why is because we are opening a Ofra mystery box. I am very excited. I seen this on their website and I was like, I have to have it, I have to try it. So I definitely bought it. Anyways, it came super fast. I will say that, like a lot of mystery boxes, it seems like the Jeffree Star ones are like coming really late or taking forever. And I know that I ordered the P. Louise base like almost a month ago. It's taking forever to get here, and I understand it's across the world, but damn, girl. So anyways, guys, I have a bunch of new videos coming up for you, so make sure you guys subscribe if you haven't already. And also, if you guys have not seen my mystery box unboxing from eBay, make sure you go ahead and click the iCard that pops up right about now. Yeah, it's definitely an interesting one, and I kind of want to do another one of those, but I'm just a tidbit scared because I got lucky the first time. I don't know if I'll ever get that lucky again. So if you guys want to see another one of those, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. And also, if you guys like Ofra products, make sure you give it a thumbs up because I love Ofra. So anyways, guys, if you want to see what I got in my mystery box, make sure you just keep watching this video. And if you are new here, please take a moment to subscribe. And if you hit that little bell next to the subscribe button, that'll inform you every single time I upload a new video. You guys know you don't want to miss none of these. Anyways, guys, let's go ahead and jump on into this here video. So lately it seems like a lot of companies and a lot of brands are doing mystery boxes. So I decided to pick one up, and I picked mine up from Ofra Cosmetics, as you can see by the title of this here video. They had two options. They had a $35 option that was going to be worth $85+ in value, or a $25 one that was going to be $75 or plus in value. So let me just read you the descriptions of these really fast. So the $35 one is the one I got, and it is, the description of it says, shop our limited edition perfecting beauty bags filled with 4 or more mini and full-size makeup and skincare products and special B-Day treats. And then it says, a secret we can tell you, all bags come with a full-size highlighter compact, and they are all in new packaging. So that is the one I got, and I honestly just got it because I see a lot of $25 bags, but I don't really see a whole lot of these $35, and I wanted to see the difference. I kind of have already seen a bunch of people doing the $25 one. I kind of wish I would have got both, but I didn't, and we're here now. They're sold out. Anyways, in the other one, the $25 one, I know that it is basically the same thing, but the only thing it says is, shop our Glam & Go bags filled with 5 or more mini and full-size makeup and skincare products. And then so this one says 5, the other one says 4. And it says all items are non-rebranded packaging. Items in bag may vary based on availability. So basically, the $35 one is going to be stuff that is from their like newly repackaged stuff, and the other one was non-rebranded, so it's just the ones from their older packaging. Basically, you get at least 4 items in the $35 one from their new packaging, and from the old one you get at least 5 items. I think it said, yeah, 5 items from their old packaging, which honestly I really didn't read the description. I just kind of got excited because it's like a mystery box and I don't want to pay $3,000 for it and get crap. At least for this I only paid $35, and if it comes with a full-size highlighter already, I'm going to be happy. So as long as it suits my skin tone. So as you can see, I have the most simplistic makeup on. I have no lipstick just in case it comes with lipstick, and I have no highlight on because obviously it says it comes with a full-size highlighter. So this is my box. This is what it came in. So I'm just gonna open it up. Listen, I've had this since yesterday and it's been really hard not to dig into this. I was supposed to film this last night. Some shit went down. Let's just not go there. And I just did not even get to film this. So I've been dying to know what's in here. Oh, okay. So I was like, oh, there's the highlighter. But actually, I remember I purchased the highlighter. So I got a Star Island highlighter. I only have one of their highlighters, and it's the Everglow, and it's in the old packaging. And I love that highlighter, don't get me wrong, but I only use one or two of the colors, and I kind of just stay away from the bronze color. And I actually just got a brand new one in their new packaging. And was it in their new package? I think it was in their new packaging. I got it from a subscription box, but I actually just put that in a pile for giveaway stuff because I have one and I'm probably like never gonna hit pan, even though it's my favorite highlighter. So this is the Star Island highlighter. Like I said, this is the Everglow highlighter in the old packaging. I don't mind this packaging by any means. And as you can see, compared to the new one, this one has a lot of love in it, but I only use the two lighter shades, obviously. You can see that my brush is dipped in the most between those two shades because it's like a beautiful, perfect mixture. Anyway, this is what the old packaging looks like. This is what the new packaging looks like. So basically, the $25 one, you may get like this packaging or like stuff that can pop into a Z palette, or as they call it, got it refills. Let's just dive right in. Wow, that's a lot of bubble wrap. Oh, so the $35 bag also comes in this pink bag, which is actually super cute. And it's really big. I could use this, actually genuinely use this, so it's pretty full, you guys. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start pulling stuff out. Okay, I figured we'd zoom in for this. So the first thing I pulled out is a long-lasting liquid lipstick, and this is in the color Pasadena. So this is the shade right here. I am gonna try stuff on, but if I do not like it, I am not gonna swatch it or try it, obviously, because, well, I will throw it in a giveaway. But as of right now, I am just going to keep this. I'm going to tally up all the numbers of the prices of everything, and I'm going to leave it at the bottom of the screen, and then at the end we will see the total value of this package. Oh, second thing I pulled out is this little baby lipstick. That's so cute. So this is in the color Tuscany. So if you look, they're pretty much close to the same color, and the bottom one's just like a tiny bit deeper. You guys, this is Post-it notes. That's so cute. They say chilled out and they have Ofra's brand name on there. Look how cute they are. They did say Valentine's Day goodies. Ooh, I've actually wanted to try this. So this is Ofra's makeup fixer, light refreshing mist. It keeps makeup in place all day long. I've wanted to try a lot of Ofra stuff, and I won't lie, this is kind of like an affordable way to do it because I can't really afford a lot of their stuff. I think they're kind of pricey, but don't get me wrong, their highlighters, ask like anybody that's tried them, is seriously some of the best highlighters ever. You'll see because I'm definitely putting a highlighter on my face. Anyways, this is the makeup setting spray, and I actually didn't put any setting spray on. I totally forgot, so I probably will use that. There's no doubt I'll use that. Oh, yes, I needed new makeup wipes. These are Ofra's Cleanse It Off makeup wipes. That's awesome because I needed makeup wipes actually, and I've been looking for something that's not super expensive. This is awesome. This is an eye mask, you guys. I don't want to take it out of here because I'm not 100% sure if I'll ever use this or not, but it's got like little jelly beads, like marbled type beads in there. And then on the other side, I don't know if you'll see that texture, but It's so soft. And it says on it, Ofra, get chilled out. So actually I might use this because I get really bad dark circles under my eyes. This might come in handy. I love this. Honestly, like, I'm in all over this bag. Alright, so yeah, there's one more thing in here. So we have one more highlighter, and honestly I'm so excited because I love highlighters. So this is in the color All of the Lights. So I'm thinking, before I even open this, I'm thinking it's the one with like 5-ish highlighters in there. So let's open it together. Oh, there's 4. Oh my gosh, yay! You guys, look, it's actually light enough for my skin tone. Like, it always worries me because I always get stuff that's like, one's way too dark. Honestly, I think every single one of these will work with my skin tone. So I'm gonna swatch this as one, and then I'm gonna swatch each shade, okay? So here's all of them together. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, and then we're going for this like light, like sandy shade up here. Yeah, that'll actually work on my skin tone. So then we're gonna go for this one, which this one actually I think is like Pillow Talk or something like that. Oh, that's so pretty. Nice pinky shift to it. I'm gonna go for the lightest one down here in the corner. So pretty. And then the darkest one down here. So I think that this shade would be too dark for me, like the last one I swatched, the bronzier one. But I think as a whole, mixed together, these will be seriously beautiful. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to mix them all together on this side, and then I'm just going to use the other one that I just got on this side. I did just wash all my makeup brushes, and I am going to film a makeup brush declutter video. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and also comment down below letting me know if you guys would like to see that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Morphe E61 brush with no products on it. I'm going to mix all of them together. I know this is about to be intense. Look at that. Seriously, like, if you're ever going to just invest in a really beautiful highlighter, make it Ofra. Like, you can't go wrong. You really can't. They have so many stunning shades for so many skin tones. Like, it's worth it. It's worth it. I live for them. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the Star Island highlighter, and I'm gonna grab another brush. This is the Morphe M451. I'm gonna go into this bad boy, and I'm gonna put it on this side. Yes, darling. Okay, so I'm gonna just spray my face. Smells nice. Oh my god, I had to hold that like clear out here. That mist is powerful, but ooh, it smells really nice. So I am going to go ahead and try out the this was Pasadena. I'm going to go ahead and put this on my lip. So let me show you. This is the old packaging, and this is the new packaging. As you can see, they just like made it a lot more chic and more modern, really. Like, this one is Verona. But anyways, I really enjoy everything that I got in here. So let me add up the total real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, so let me just tell you the issue I'm having is I cannot find this mask anywhere on their website. So I am not 100% sure of what the price for this is, the retail price. So I'm just gonna say it's probably at least $10. At least, like, guaranteed. Anyways, so with this, not including this highlighter because I did buy that. So with all of this stuff, including the 2 lipsticks, the highlighter, this, I don't know if they're counting the Post-its as part of this or if it was like just a cute little Valentine's Day gift in the bag. And this, I wonder if they are, you know what, let me check really quick. Let me see if they're counting this bag as well, because let's say if so, I feel like this was kind of a ripoff. So I just looked on the website, and including this here bag, which I'm not mad about, but if I knew the bag was included, I would have probably just went for the $25 bag, because it seems like people are getting a lot of good stuff in that bag, and I'm really not that big of a stickler for packaging. But I mean, this bag is really nice, and I will use this for traveling for my makeup brushes because of the size of it, and I can never fit all my stuff in my makeup bag now, including this mask. I'm gonna say that everything was $100 because I don't know how much this is. We're gonna say $10, even though I'm sure that they would put that on there for more, but including the bag for $15, everything I got is at least $100, if not more. But like I said, I wish that I would have known that this bag was part of it and not like just the bag. Don't get me wrong, I kind of expected that when I seen the picture. I'm not mad about anything I got here today, by all means. Everything is great. I love Ofra products. That's why I purchased it. I'm really excited to use this stuff. So yeah, you guys will be seeing this stuff probably more often. But anyways, if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Do you like mystery unboxings? I have kind of slowed down on buying makeup, but I have been seeing a lot of these, and I've been kind of wanting to grab some, but like the Jeffree Star ones I've stayed away from because everything that I've seen come in those, don't get me wrong, I like Jeffree Star products, but if I really wanted these products, I would just go buy it myself with those mystery bags. It scares me because I feel like I'm going to get stuck with a bunch of products that I'm not going to like, and I'm not going to be able to sell to get my money back. So, you know, why spend the money on things that you're not sure if you'll like? I know with Ofra, there's probably not very many things I don't like with when it comes to their brand, so that's why I purchased this. So if you guys want to see any more mystery unboxings, let me know what kind of brands you would like to see, and I will see if I can try them out for you. Also, let me know if you guys hear of any that might interest me, because I definitely am always down for a surprise. I love surprises. I love them. Anyways, if you guys have not already, make sure you go and hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!